welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. So today I am going to unbox my new gift, and that is a slime set. Actually I ordered it, that's why it's covered on paper, but inside it is a box of slime inside. So let's get started and open it up and see what it comes with. Look, this is the back of the box and it's so long. Let me just... Can you guys see? Oh my goodness! Slime set. It says slime kit and it is actually for kids, and it has some fruits like designing stuff over here, and this tells you the slime that it will turn out like. And you can also make these cupcake kind of stuff with slime, and we have some glitter and some beads and some decorations inside this. So let's just open it up, and I'm so excited. Let's see what it really comes with. Look friends, it has beads and also clay, and so much more stuff. It even has these things to decorate inside the slime, and these tiny fruits that you can put clay inside and then put the clay out, and then it will turn into that fruit. And it comes with some glass that you can put slime inside. So let's get everything out. Look friends, it has these stuff. Let me put everything out, and then it will be easier to show you all of this stuff I made. So here are the straws. It comes with some pack of some slime over here, and we are going to decorate it with beads and some glitter. It comes with gold. I mean, this is gold, this is silver, and this is dark pink color. These go here, and we have 9 maybe or 12 something kind of like clay. We have all of the colors, and we have some pack over here of beads and glitter and stuff. It also comes with some hearts, some of these candy, some of the glitter, some beads, and some tiny googly eyes, and some of these buttons kind of. And it also comes with these two that we are going to make. And it also comes with the tools, and of course the blowing part, the straws, and then if we put this inside the slime, and then the slime will blow up into a bubble. So these are the straws for it. We have 2 of course. Now let's start decorating the slime with all of our stuff that came with. To make the slime, I have a flat plate over here, so we can place our slime in here and then decorate. So which color should I use? Maybe I can use this color that I picked up, because I love this color. And you can, if you have this kind of set, then you can pick any color you like, because it doesn't matter to me. You can pick any color. So let me just get this wrapper off. Okay, now let's open it up. Oh my gosh, that's so slimy. Okay, now let's put this in here. Oh, that's so amazing. That looks so cool. We can stretch it, and it's wet, and it's so cool. Now let's start decorating it. What should we decorate it with first? Maybe I'll go with some Maybe I'll go with some, I'll go with some glitter. You know how much I love glitter. Okay, let's open this carefully. Nice. And let's pour just a little to be careful. There we go. Let's put it inside the cup and then we'll pour it. That's enough, I think. That's enough. And now I'm going to mix it all up so the glitter gets mixed. It's so gooey and it's so fun. I feel like I can just play with this forever. It's so amazing. Look, glitter gets on our hand, but it's still so fun. Look. Isn't that so pretty, right? Pink with pink glitter on. And the whole plate is full with glitter. Let's just clean it all up. Here we go. And now I'm going to add some of these. And I think I'm picking some of the beads. And I think I'll go with these white ones. The white match is good, right? So let's open it all up. There we go. And now I'll mix it all up in the slime. It's just so fun. And after this, I am going to open these and then try out what this happens. First of all, I think before opening this, I should try out the bubble making spirit. So like, just like that, and then just blow it. That's so fun. It makes a funny sound. It's like an octopus, like this. That's just so fun. I don't even want to like throw this away like when it's already old and like that. It's just so fun. I'll put this on top over here. And then I'll blow. They're done again. Okay, that's so fun. And if we put this slime into this, the beads right now they're falling out. But if we put the slime back into this bowl, then the slime will get all sticky, and then the beads will stick, and then it will not feel sticky to us, but the beads will be sticked all to the slime, and then we can squish it like that and have some fun. It's just so fun. Like down below, how did you like my slime? Did you like it? Did you like all the stuff that came with it? The beads, the fruit, molds, these clay, the glitter over here, some slime, of course, watery, and these molds over here. How did you like them? Please comment. And before ending the video, you know what I'm going to say. Please like, subscribe, and share to others. Bye bye. See you in the next video with my other toys, of course.